Okay, I need to go. I want you to be on your best behavior. Got it? I might let you have this delicious lollipop. Oh, I almost forgot. Here's your super serum.
Ooh! Whoa, look at this!
Have fun!
I can't wait to try it! Oh, something's happening! This is so cool! Ooh, watch this! What the?
Oh, these smell nice.
Check this out! Pretty neat, huh?
Hey! Knock it off! Stop! With great power comes great responsibility!
Got it! Hey guys. I wonder what Mommy packed for lunch. Huh? It's empty! Yuck! Where's my lunch? I'm so hungry. Aw, they're all eating. How good does this burger look? There's only one thing for it. Don't mind me. All for me? Thanks. I'll take that. My favorite. This is more like it. Huh? Where's my burger?
Hey! Look!
They don't suspect a thing.
Not again. I hate that guy. We need to have a talk. You'll pay for this. Get him!
Open up! I need a pee! Come on! It's an emergency! Open up! Please! I'm desperate! That's it! Whoa! What's going on? I wish I didn't see that! Ugh, hurry up! Ugh, too late. That feels good. Phew, it stinks in there. Uh-oh. Did you pee yourself? Wait until Batman hears about this. What? No! Ouch! No way! That's so embarrassing! This is hilarious! Does the baby need a diaper? Oh, a message. What are you doing? You're late! Get in there! Ridiculous. Whatever. Hang on. I have an idea. Time for some fun. Ugh, she needs a makeover. Whoa! It worked. Hey, look at this! How do people walk in these heels? Made it! Okay, this is weird. Let's take it easy today. What about the test? Oh yeah, let's have a look. Boring! Who needs maths? Here's today's lesson. No way! It's a day off! I'm outta here, see ya! Yeah! Oh, but I studied! Really? I'll tell you what. I'll grade you. How's this? An F minus. No! Get out of here! Ugh, she's such a nerd. Oh, I need to wear sneakers. Phew, they're all gone. And just in time. Okay, class, let's start. What's this? Don't look at me. Oh, I don't understand this. That worked perfectly. This is tricky. Sup, nerd? Give me your things!
No way! Stop it!
I'm not messing around!
Fine. Take it.
Nope, not interested. I want that.
Stop it! Aha! Got it! Ouch! You're mean.
Yeah? What are you gonna do?
Cry! That's what!
Uh-oh. Huh?
Help me, Superman!
It's not what it looks like. Hey! Hand over the the kid's toy. Toy?
What?
I'm not asking twice!
Get him! Take that!
Give me that! Get out of here! Here you go, little guy.
Gee, thanks.
Actually, it looks kind of fun.
That's not nice.
That's life, kid. See ya!
No! He's supposed to save the day!
Are you okay? Sorry about your toy. It's okay. You're my best friend.
What's going on in here?
Mom!
Wow! Ouch!
Oops.
This room is a mess! Clean it right now!
Okay, calm down.
I want it spotless! Or else you're grounded!
This is boring. This is gonna take forever. Unless I use my superpowers. I should have thought of this earlier. And I don't need to touch a thing. In you go! This is so easy. Haha, I'm the greatest! Wow, that's a lot of things. I hope the wardrobe closes. Gotta keep it closed. Whew, I did it! Oh, that was a good job.
Wow! What a difference!
That's what superheroes do. Don't go in there. Seriously.
Just a quick peek. Ah! What did I tell you? Fold these clothes!
Can't believe I'm grounded. This never happens to Thor.
I'm hungry. I wish I had some food.
This seems like a job for Superman! Rumbling tummy? Aha! No problem. Have some healthy fruit.
Ugh.
What? It's good for you!
Oh no!
Fine. What else is there? Still trying to get the hang of cooking, huh? Let me think. What's in the freezer? That's one big steak. How about it?
No thanks.
You're a fussy eater. There's not much in here. I've got some eggs.
Okay, that sounds good.
I can do that. Give me the knife. I'll crack it open. Eggy goodness.
It's raw.
Hold on.
Whoa! You're cooking the egg with your eyes! Cool!
Phew. Did it work?
What do you think?
Oops. Wait. I have an idea. Everyone loves cookies.
I need to eat something.
Everyone's a critic. Okay, time for school.
Thanks.
Have a great day. Bye. Phew. That was tough. Now I can relax. I love popcorn. I need to make it pop. Woohoo! That's better. Yummy.
Being a superhero would be stressful, but it would also have its advantages. What superpower would you want to have and why? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel for more fun videos just like this one.